After you've added your payment details and uploaded the necessary information to your profile, you will now be able to add a product. In this video, we will show you how to add your products to your dashboard so that they will appear on our Vegan Vendors website. You will be adding a normal product, so you will not need to edit the Choose Product field. Enter the product name. The product type must be chosen from the Auto Suggest list only. This is because the collections on our website rely on the product type of the product. This is how products get assigned to the correct collection. The collections on our website are automated. They are known as smart collections. Let's have a quick look at the smart collections and the product types. Each smart collection has a list of product conditions. These conditions must be met for the product to go into that collection. For example, baby and toddler food has these conditions. If you sell baby food, the product type must be baby and toddler food. And that will ensure that your product goes into this collection. Let's have a quick look at the product types. Here are the full list of product types. If you have any questions about this, we are here to help. Once you've identified the correct product type, you can proceed to adding the product's description. You do not need to add the product tags. We have a product inspector who will do this on your behalf once you've added the product. You can then add the product policy. You can leave this blank if you have already entered a seller policy in your account. Only enter something here if you have a specific policy for the product you are uploading. For example, if you have a seller policy of 14-day returns, but you sell a product that is exempt from that, then you need to input that information here. Next, add the shipping details. Add the weight of the product in either kilograms or grams. Ensure that the requires shipping box is ticked. And in shipping method, select seller to ship. The delivery details relate to those vendors making fresh and frozen food. If there is a specific day and time that these meals are prepared and delivered, you are able to select that here. If you can deliver any day of the week, you do not need to configure this. Enter the retail price of your product, including VAT. The compare it price field is if you are ever going to have a sale. If you are, enter the sale price in the price field and the original retail price in the compare it price field. Leave the charge taxes on this product box unticked. Enter your inventory details next. SKU is another term for product code. This is relevant if you have a specific product code for your product and helps the order and delivery process. Leave the barcode field blank. If your product has a minimum purchase quantity, enter it here. Otherwise, leave it at 1. Enter the quantity of the product. If you're selling a product that can be easily replenished or made again, you are able to sell the item to the customer even if it is out of stock. Click the box to allow customers to purchase the product when it is out of stock. You can add variants to the product if this applies to the product you are uploading. Simply click Add Variant. Insert the option name field, i.e. flavor, and then insert the option value, for example, strawberry. Press comma to add another one. Click Save Changes. Now you'll be able to individually edit each variant by clicking the 3 dots under Action. You can add different prices, pictures, quantities, product codes, and weight for each variant. Every change you make, click Save Changes. You can navigate through each variant here. Go back to the product and at the top of the page, begin adding the product pictures. Try and keep all the pictures of all the products you are adding the same dimension so that there is some balance to your shop page. Regarding the collections, if you are selling frozen or fresh meals, you need to select the collection here that the product will fall into. For example, if you are selling vegan pasta, you are able to select Italian food and then the subcategory pasta. There is a separate video on how to upload fresh and frozen food. Do not select the collection if you are not selling fresh or frozen food, as the system will add it to a smart collection automatically, as discussed earlier on in this video. Lastly, enter the product handle, which is simply the product title. You can add meta details to your product for Google and SEO optimization if you know how to do that. Anything that you do make sure you click Save Changes so that all your changes are saved. And that concludes this video on uploading a product. And please remember, we are here to help you. So if you do have any problems, reach out to us via email and we will happily run through the process.